I have a tray of potatoes in my hands. Look at them. There's all sprouting. So these were in the fridge and they're sprouting. So we're going to plant them out. And we're going to update you on the ones that we did before. But we're going to plant these out now. It's a bit windy. Again, loving this weather. So let's go. All right, so this is our first container that we're going to plant in. And what I'm doing is to give it some food. Some other food was in this container, but the plants that was in it before, of course, take all those nutrients. And last week we added some kitchen scraps, blended kitchen scraps, and now I'm going to add in some organic fertilizer that will help with the tubers growing nicely. All right, so let me just loosely or gently pull those in, the nutrients, ensuring that everywhere has some of the nutrients in. This soil is very loose, so this should not pose any problem at all. And we have some worm activity in. Not sure if you can see that worm moving, wiggling. All right. Let me add a little one right here as well. And I'm just going to lightly cover without moving the eyes from off the tuber, or they're so delicate. And of course, when planting, you plant with the eyes facing upwards like this. We have showed you that before in the previous video. Alright, so how do we plant Irish potato? So you don't plant it downwards like this with the eyes turning down, but upwards. So I just placing about 5 in this container. And at the back of it we have a spinach plant. So I'm going to place the last one in now. So we're just doing 5 of the tubers in this particular container. And that's about it. So we'll get some rain. So I'm not going to water this in. The rain will do its job. All right, so I have more here, and I'm going to look some other containers to put them in. So we're hoping for a big harvest about 3 months time. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, we have 4 containers here, one of which is a grow bag. All right, so I'm thinking I'll just put 2 in the grow bag. I'm just seeing the amount that can go into each container. So I'll put 2 in this one, 2 in this one, and 3 in this one. Eyes are very delicate, so I'm ensuring that they're on properly. They're properly on. They're staying on. All right. So we're adding more food to our collection of food. Adding more food to our pantry. So this is our living pantry out here. Taking my time so the eyes don't fall off. All right, so we have 4 containers all planted out with potatoes. And let me show you the update on the other 2 that we did before. Oh, it's not 4 containers, 5. All right, so let me show you the update on the other 2 that was previously done. And these ones are in the greenhouse. So here they are. This morning I top them up with some more soil. And they're going nicely. So 2 in the greenhouse and 5 outside. All right, everyone. Thank you for joining us in today's video. We do hope that you enjoy this video. We have 5 containers planted out with our Irish potatoes. And you saw our update on the 2 of them that we did previously. So this is October 31st, the last day of October, and we're doing Irish potatoes. Pretty soon, we'll be doing our sweet potatoes again. Yes, that one was an epic fail. You can watch that video of our harvest of the failure of our sweet potatoes. But anyway, thank you for tuning in and be encouraged. Do start that garden 1 container at a time. We will see you pretty soon. Bye-bye for now.